ESG. E stands for environmental, S stands for social, G stands for governance. So in this chapter, essentially the CFA curriculum delves into the considerations of all these three factors into investment analysis. Now the G part, the governance part, is something which is pretty obvious. You have a lot of literature in various courses and text on finance about board of directors and how the management structure affects the investment analysis. So the same has been incorporated into the G part of this chapter, the governance part. Now there are a very wide spectrum of issues which could be brought into the social aspect of ESG consideration. Now the other aspect is environmental. Now in environmental aspect, how do you measure or rather quantify the environmental impact in your investment analysis? So a lot has been discussed in this. Essentially there are three aspects of these considerations, the environmental consideration. The first is proprietary methods. You could have something proprietary with you to do investment analysis. Then you could have ESG ratings provided by external data providers. Also, not-for-profit initiatives in ESG could also give you ideas on the environmental aspect of ESG. I have given you a brief layout on what exactly is talked in this chapter. If you go through the chapter, you will easily understand there are no conceptual challenges. All it will take is bit of reading through the text and you'll automatically understand what needs to be considered in ESG analysis. In other words, I can tell you that there are no maths in this chapter. It's all plain theory.